Hi, I'm John Rowland with Holland Park Lapidary, and I'm just giving you a little preview. We've been building like crazy because, of course, we stopped working along with a whole lot of other people when the coronavirus was going on here in our area. We've been back to work now for about a month. We've shipped one container. We've got another container going out here in about 4 days. We got stacks of crates behind us. We got more stuff upstairs already created. We got high-tone 14s, Model 16s. We got a whole nother batch of control boxes for we're building more high-tone Model 12s, Model 14s, Model 10s. We got Model 10s that are just getting finished up. These are all graded. 36D here, flat laps. We're machining front and rear brackets for 18s. We got more blades. This job here running front and rear brackets for 24s. We're building a big batch of 24s right now. And then wrapping up we're packing this stuff tomorrow for the shipment going out. CD4, CDs, and hydraulic screw machines.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this. And down below in the description, you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that. And leave comments. If there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot, we're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.